What? Ah, this is giving gross. Hey babe, welcome back to my channel. As you see, your girl is doing a little holiday glam look. Very light little glam, but you know, very feminine, very cute little look. So if you're into that and you're looking for a way to, you know, really spice up your holiday look, keep watching.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hey babe, your girl is fighting a cold, okay? And I don't get sick. I literally haven't had a cold for 2 years. Last time I got sick was cold. Let me not say that on here. Was when I got that C word. Since then, I haven't gotten sick in 2 years. This is tough right now because your girl. Let me just go wet my beauty blender so. I hate having a cold. I should change this battery so that I really don't have to get up. We're back. The girl has been having a cold. It's only been about a day or a day and a half, maybe 2 days. And it has stopped me from doing content for sure. I'm happy to be back. I'm ready to go. So when I talk, I am a little stepped up. We gonna have some little montages. We gonna make it work. We gonna make it work, okay? Because I'm just pushing through because I miss y'all. And I was doing 12 days of Christmas and I was being consistent and now I missed the day. I'm gonna use SmashBox Photo Finish Primer. Get in focus, bitch. Ugh. This is the OG. When I was started watching YouTube and makeup tutorials, every YouTuber, every makeup guru was using SmashBox Photo Finish Primer. And it always feels so smooth on your skin, like so good. I'm gonna try out this Summer Fridays. This is the Pink Sugar Lip Butter Balm. My lips is dry, crusty, dusty. Ugh. Ooh, it smells so good. Mmm. Oh, I've been missing out. Oh, this is good. There's a lot of things that are new, stuff that I have not used. A lot of Danessa Myricks, which I love Danessa Myricks, but super cute little spoon to take the balm out. Ooh. Ooh, she's beautiful. Ah, we're doing it. Ooh. And I heard a little goes a long way, so I'm gonna take this much. I probably don't even need that much. Ooh, ooh, okay. Oh, this is interesting. Ooh. Like, tell me I can't go out the house like this. Wow. Oh, this looks so pretty. I'm using the Ami Kohl Deep 1.5, the Skin Enhancing Concealer. I really like this black owned brand, baby. Okay. And then we're gonna do just a little right here. This is the Desert Dusk palette. I love. Oh my God, it's so much. This is giving gross, okay? The amount of like sneezing, coughing. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyway, this is the Desert Dust palette. I think it's so pretty. I love all the different colors. And I'm gonna go for a pink. Like when I think of holidays, I think of like girly pink colors, and that's what I'm going for. So I'm gonna start with Saffron, which is this pink color right here. Then I'm gonna go to Angelic, and I'm gonna keep it very simple. Like we don't need to do too much. Y'all seen Leave the World Behind? I actually went to the premiere, well, not the premiere. I went to they had an experience, I guess that's what I'll say. It was such a fun experience. We got to actually ride up in some Teslas. And then we watched the movie inside of the Tesla cars. Spoiler alert, you know that there are Teslas inside of the movie. The only thing I didn't like, and I think everybody's experiencing the same thing, is the ending. The ending to me was so damn stupid. Like, why was the ending so bad? Leave us with like a cliff note of what's gonna happen next. Like you see how this looks? Like it already feels like Christmas to me. What else has been going on? Just trying to get settled into our place. We're actually really feeling good about where we are right now. Like we've been doing some work. Really, baby has been doing a lot of work because I've been under the weather. But I'm trying to be consistent on my YouTube shit, on my TikTok shit, on my reels. Really trying to get these brand partnerships. Trying to get on PR lists. If you know how to get on PR lists, give your girl the tip, because that would be very helpful when I am, you know, doing product reviews and stuff like that. Like to not have to always come out of my own pocket to check out a product would be amazing, to be completely honest, because yeah, it's expensive for me to have to do that all by myself. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. It's damp and ready to go. And my concealer has for sure sat long enough, so let's blend it out. I don't think we always have to be hella yellow up under our eye, you know what I mean? What do y'all think? We're gonna see as we go. If we need to add more, we will. Oh, being sick and trying to do your makeup. This is the Blurring Balm powder in Flushed. It's blush for your cheeks, eyes. I love Danessa Myricks because everything is for everything. Basically, you could do anything you want to do with what she has made for you. So yeah, this is Dancing Queen. Very pretty color. I like this pink color. And like I said, since we're going for a more girly, you know, girly look, we're gonna use this one. Let's dip into her. Ooh, there we go. Woo! You telling me that ain't color? Don't worry, I know it looks very harsh right now, but you gotta put a lot on, and then when it, and look how pigmented it is. Like I literally just did one swipe. You bring it up into your temple area, you know? I even put a little bit on my nose. This is the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder, and I have it mixed with a banana powder as well. Watch how this all comes together. You're gonna be like, okay, I see what she was doing. I'm gonna go in with the Danessa Myricks. This is the Balm Contour. Danessa Myricks Balm Contour in Deep 2. Ooh, do you see how that just... Tell me you saw how that just went on. Like, what? What? Did you see how that just went on my face? And so you say what I was talking about with the blush? Like, everything now is like... and then you look at this side. We're gonna go in on our nose and our eye. What? That was a lot deeper than I was expecting, honey. That was a little too much. I went in with a little too much. Sometimes things happen with your makeup that you do have to fix. I actually want to do a video just basically talking about my struggle with like friendships, because it's hard being in LA sometimes alone, like with no family, really no friends. Why are you getting overheated? What is going on? Like what? That's because I'm recording in 4K. Oh, now she wanna call me. What she want? Hey, baby.
Hey, what flavor Hans do you want? Cherry or honey?
Honey, probably. Thanks, baby. I love you, bye. Thank you, baby.
You need some right now.
I know, I do. I got the sweetest girlfriend. I've been having her run around all day for me. She had to take care of some things for the car, and then I had her make some returns. She's so sweet. Because I'm not leaving out of the house when I'm sick. Like, I'm just not that girl. So I'm gonna use my fave All Nighter Urban Decay spray. But what was I talking about? I was saying just basically like it's just really tough not having friendships and really wanting to make friends, and it's really hard in LA. I really want to make friends in the content creator world, but I don't want it to be ingenuine. I don't know if I'm using that word right, but I want it to be genuine friendships. I don't want it to be just a business relationship. A lot of content creators A lot of content creators just feel like it's all about, well, okay, we can be friends, but like we're gonna do content, like, and I do want that. I want someone that we can like hold each other accountable, we can get content done, but we can also be really good friends. And so that's important to me. So I really, really want that in 2024. I'm calling that in genuine friendships, genuine content creator friends, makeup friends, fashion friends, acting friends, like all of it. Like that is what I want. I want my own little tribe for real. And my road dogs. This is the Refi brow tint in black. I love this for my eyebrows. It works so well. And because I have thick eyebrows, I don't really do like the drawing of them out and anything like that. I leave these suckers just like they are. Maybe as I get deeper into makeup, maybe I'll start doing that. But I like this brow tint a lot. It's very good. Now, I think I put a little too much on this side. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. And I will like bring it to a little tip. I'm gonna fix it up here at the top, and then we're gonna take a little bit of that off. Cause I do like for it to be like an ombre effect. And then with whatever is left on my little beauty blender, I'm just gonna dab it right here on my chin. For like the base, the face, this is giving holiday look to me. Like subtle, pretty, feminine, girly, beautiful. Like I love that. All right, so for lashes, I'm gonna do the Ioni. This is the extra smoky crisscross. I like it because it's like a nice dark lash, so we're gonna do this. I usually do these as individuals and I just cut them, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put them suckers on today, okay? I'm taking the velour in black lash adhesive. I just take my eye like this and I draw it on like eyeliner. And then I put the lash on top. So very easy, very simple. For the most part, that is done. I wanted to just do a matte spray on top real quick. And then we're gonna do a lip, and that's it. This is the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Setting Spray. I really like it because it really does make your makeup matte and it sticks and it stays. So that's cool. So let's do a quick spray. Okay, so as that continues to dry, I'm gonna use the Stay Beauty Glossy Bounce Hydrating Lip Oil in the flavor Play. I think it's so pretty on the lips. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this as a lip oil on my lips. Really giving into that girly pink look. Like, look how pretty this is. So to me, this is a really pretty holiday makeup look that you could do when you're like gonna be at home with your family. We don't gotta do nothing too much, okay? So cute! Okay, that's the video. It's been a lot going on. Your girl needs to go get some cough drops. I need to take some more medicine. Finish drinking the rest of my tea. Cheers to you all. Happy holidays. So many great things gonna happen in 2024 that I'm looking forward to. I'm so happy to just have you all. I love my supporters. And I just love you guys so much. I'm so appreciative of you, bae. And I can't wait to continue growing with you. See you in the next video.
Girls want me, but like you, I want to know, I want to. She be not this kind thing with tomato, moo, oh no, no. Not the little things you do make me, no. This distance is taking a hold of me.